LOGISTAT. LOGISTAT is a multi-tenant platform that gives software as a service to its clients who are onboarded onto the platform. The customers of LOGISTAT are companies, startups that are involved in last mile delivery. That is the automation of last mile delivery day-to-day processes. So service software is offered as a service to people onboarded onto such platforms. Now, one of such customers to LOGISTAT is called Adiva Logistics. So this is the administrative suite or the admin module of LOGISTAT. Where is from an e-commerce site, or orders are made from a mobile app downloaded from the internet. It is seen by an admin manager, and of course at various other centers. What LOGISTAT does is that when an order is made, to a client, the LOGISTAT application looks for how many centers, the centers which the institution Adiva has, and calculates the distance covered. The algorithm for it covers distances, looks at distances of the pickup point of the order and the delivery point of the order from where the rider is leaving from. So it looks at which center or which outlet gives the cheapest cost to the customer. So it sends the order to that center. Who sees it in the back end? So that's why I have recent orders. This will also be seen. This is the super admin. So this will also be seen. These tables will also be seen at the various centers. So this is the dashboard for the super admin, the operations manager. The dashboard of the operations manager. We have total orders for the day, the total order for the month to date, and then the total order. This gives months, January to December, or for the year 2021 it will give January to July. This is the dashboard overview of orders. So this is the order for the month of January. It says 65 orders. This is for the month of February. March has more orders. That's April, May, that's June, July, and so forth, up until December. So I just clicked on centers. So the super admin is also able to see what is seen at various centers. So this is center 1, center 2, 3, 4, and so on. The center addresses are put in this column, center phone numbers, and the center manager's email. Click on a center name, and then it brings you to all the orders for that center. There's the order ID, sender name, sender's phone number, sender's address, receiver's address, the pickup center, the amount charged, and the status of the order at that moment. Centers. So orders on the super admin, when clicked, these are orders for all the centers. It shows the back end for the operations manager, who is also able to add new orders. In case someone walks into his own office, he is able to add a new order to the list. Like I said, when an order is added from anywhere, it is automatically sent to the nearest center, to the pickup and the delivery point for minimal cost. The algorithm calculates the distance from the various centers and picks the cheapest in cost and sends it to that particular center. So here we have a list of orders for all the centers, and then it can be filtered. And then, of course, for reporting purpose, it can be printed out, sent to a printer. You can have it downloaded in PDF to your laptop or to your computer, in PDF format, in Excel format, and then it can also be copied. For example, if we want it in PDF format, you click, a PDF is downloaded for the purpose of reporting. A click on the PDF, it gives a report. That's one of the reporting mechanisms. This is I just clicked on riders. So that's the riders view for the super admin. Same for the admin offices. Riders ID, riders name, riders phone number. I just clicked something. Okay, still riders. Riders phone number, assigned orders, orders in progress, completed orders, total remittance for that rider. In case there's a new employee who is a rider can be added to the rider list. I've just clicked on vehicles. That's the vehicles. This is the riders attached, the rider's ID, the phone number, vehicle number, the vehicle type. It could be buses, it could be a cab. Most often in last mile delivery, it is usually bikes. And you can also register a new vehicle. Customers. This gives you a list of customer's name, the customer's phone number, customer's email addresses, the customer's home addresses, and then a click on view details gives you a list of 5 recent orders, 5 most recent orders by that customer. That's customers, and then that's the user. I just clicked on the user. So this is the user of this suite, Samto Chuku, Adiva Logistics, and here is his details. It is a detail. His phone number could change. You could have a new super admin or a new operations manager. This is where all that is done. Thank you. This is a summary of the back end.